Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw nicely a traditional woman in Indian subcontinent who is working very hard work, and it's going to be a nice presentations. All right, so we start the drawing from the top. You can see, all right, and first we're drawing the outline, then we're going to do the details. Okay. So after drawing the face, then we move to the hands, and let's draw the hands here. All right, and it extends like this, you can see. Okay, extensions, and on the other side you can see another extensions. Okay, and the hand here, these are the fingers. Okay, all right, and this thing, the back is like this, and the usual dress she is wearing, that's traditional dress which is called sari in the subcontinent. It's coming up here like this. You can see the wrinkles. All right, okay, all right. For the waist, it's just surrounded by the waist, and you can see the hair is on the back. Okay, so this is the hair. Okay, all right, and also putting the hair. If we just do the details in some moments, then the drawing is becoming more effective and more nice, and it's very easy to understand the drawings, people and the characters. Okay, so another one I'm going to put in the waist, and this is the usual style of wearing this traditional dress. Okay, another one I can show you, and I'm drawing another one. Okay, just we are extending the lines. Okay, and the line you can see here. Okay, and some curves you can put in the bottom. All right, and for the wrinkled parts of the clothes, you can see that it's coming up from the top and runs through the bottom, and she has the legs. Okay, all right, there's the left leg, and another right leg is there right here. Okay, and as you know, she's working, so another hand you can see on the other side. Okay, and here. All right, okay, so she's holding a stick. Just put a stick here. This is like the walking gear. So during 30 or 40 years ago, it was not the automation for working, so most of the drawing you can see people working with a very manual tools, handmade tools, and those are the used for everyday necessary particular purpose. So maybe this woman, she's grinding something into a bigger pot with these longer sticks. You can see here, I'm just doing right now, and putting the shades here, and it sit on a base. So let's put the base. Okay. All right, so this is how the basic outlines you can see I just completed, and also we're putting the features of the details of the face, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, the lips. Okay, the nose is going on and the lips. Okay, looks like she is smiling. And for the ground, let's use the crayon color and put the simple color on the ground. You can see simple color, just making the ground looks good. Looks good. All right, now for the colors of the body, let's put the orange color on the top and put the body tone, a nice one. Okay, the orange is going on for the body tone. Okay, for the hands, use the orange color. For this purpose of putting shades, we just make the darker color to the borders, as you know, and the other parts remains like a white and glowy. Okay, so you can see the shade is going on, and the hand on the other side also putting the orange color for the hands too. Okay, and for the legs I'm just putting the colors. Okay, for the other leg too, put the colors. All right, now we're going to put the sari, and in that case we are putting the blue color for the dress of the sari, just starting from the top. Starting from the top and making the borders here, some details. Okay, other details you can see here. All right, now let's put the emphasize the waistline and put some shades to the waistline like this I'm doing right now. So not all the parts is going to be the colored one. Some parts is going to be the highlighted, some parts going to be the lighter color, soft and steady. Okay, and in the back, all right. Okay, so you can see the colors combinations here. Dress getting nicer. In the below, let's put some shades, and also shades according to the ribbon pattern here. It's like a wave pattern, you can see at the bottom. All right, so the blue dress here you can see. Now we are going to put the color of the the wooden color for this holder. Maybe little darker one, so I'm switching the sticks for the drawing purpose. Okay, so you can see the sticks here, and she's holding it. Okay, all right, the top portions is going to be little lighter. and the inside is going to be little darker. Okay, and also this side just putting a lighter shade along the the borderlines and along the periphery. So when you put the shades, the lighter shades usually you put in the middle, and to the periphery and other area you just put the darker shade. All right. So in my channel I'm going to cover all other stuffs, like all the flags of all countries, all the maps of all countries. It's like it's going to be a global and universal drawing channel. So I'm also talking all the instructions and drawing standards like English, so that most of the people understand all over the world. This is the international common language. That's why I'm using this language, and you can see after drawing these things become more lively and looking more good. Now we're going to maybe making this here a border line little bit darker, so that it does looks good. Maybe little darker. Okay. And the body shape here. Okay. All right. So as you know, when you do the drawing, there are so many things for details, so many rooms. So it never ends. The more you do, the more you need to do. So this is the drawing. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icon on to get the updates. Also, you can also browse through the playlist. Go to the playlist and you can select lots of drawings in different categories. We have thousands of drawings there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.